Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, when a believer's soul exits, two angels receive it and ascend towards the sky with it. Hammad says that he mentioned the sweetness of its fragrance and mentioned musk and said, the sky dwellers say, it is a pious soul that has come from the earth. O soul, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shower blessing upon you and upon your body in which you would reside. Then that soul will be taken to the Lord Jalla Jalaluhu. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, take it away till the last session of the prescribed time. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, when an infidel soul departs, Hammad says that he mentioned its foul smell and mentioned the curse on it. And the sky dwellers say, it is an evil soul which has come from the earth. He says that it will be said, take it away till the end of the appointed time. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam put a part of his chador upon his nose in this way in order to express the foul smell of an infidel's soul. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7150.